Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with some very major changes overnight, none of which involve Greece. American consumer confidence unexpectedly slumped in April, according to a widely respected survey released overnight. This has unsettled markets, mainly because of the size of the fall, which retraced all the prior month's gains and more. At the same time, the same group released its leading indicator survey for Australia, and that showed gains. Small ones, true, but gains nonetheless. The effect on currency markets has been direct. The US dollar has fallen, the Aussie has risen, and that has shifted the relationships for the Kiwi dollar. We're now at our highest level against the greenback, the Chinese yuan and the Japanese yen in 3 months, our lowest against the Australian dollar in 6 weeks. Back in the US, their home ownership rate has slipped to a 25-year low, but continued strong gains in the rate at which Americans are establishing households has supported the view that the housing sector will boost growth in this year. In China, rumours that the People's Bank of China is planning to boost liquidity have sparked speculation that China may start its own new quantitative easing program. The Shanghai stock market went crazy on the suggestion, rising 3% yesterday. In Australia, an interesting property financing development has been reported. Diversified property group Mirvac has teamed up with online funder VentureCrowd on a new investment platform that could challenge the role of banks in financing new developments. Mirvac's use of techniques such as peer-to-peer or crowdfunding is likely to give those sectors a turbo boost, given the heft Mirvac can bring to the concepts. It has the ability to be a game changer for everyone involved, including banks who could be the big losers. Back in New York, the US Treasury 10-year benchmark yield is marginally higher today at 1.95%. The US oil price remains at about $57 a barrel, while Brent crude is also stable at $65 a barrel in trading today. The gold price is another key commodity with an unchanged price today, still at $1,205 an ounce. As we noted earlier, the New Zealand dollar starts today rising again. It is at 77.3 US cents, which is up almost 1 cent from where it was at this time yesterday. 96.4 Aussie cents, which is almost lower by 1 cent, 70.3 euro cents. The TWI is at 80.9. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.